What's up, my friends? Welcome to my channel. Today's I'm going to do Architect 3 Days Visualizing. For now, I'm using this drawing photo, but in the next video, I will import actual AutoCAD drawing file OK. So this photo looks small, I need to scale it. Okay, now click on this option for top view, and scale a little bit more. So press S button for scaling any object. Now you can see, here's two drawing in this one image. So the left one is ground floor drawing, and right one is first floor drawing. And the dark black color showing house walls. So, first we need to create walls. So for perfect measurement, we need tape tool. So press T for tape and drag it on walls for confirm. Click left button of your mouse for confirming like this. Do same thing again. I will tell to you later why I'm creating this lining. So, before we need to finish all walls, create fast lining on walls. It's really easy, just click this and move your mouse where you want to put it, and click left button of your mouse for confirming like this. And, yeah, like this. Okay? We need to work fast, and to complete all this boring stuff, I'm taking my ass on chair, keep silent for few seconds for fast work, and you all guys, please don't fingering in your ass, use your finger wisely. And click the subscribe button by using that finger, and fuck the like button for more interesting SketchUp and 3 days product visualize or Blender related videos. Please subscribe. Yeah, buddies, we did it. Now click R button on keyboard for rectangular shape and put it on corner and create walls like this. Fill up all corners and walls by rectangular. It's easy peasy process. Click on corner and move it, then click left button of mouse for confirming, and you got a wall. Let's fill all walls fast. If you have any problem to understand these methods, so please comment me below. I will actively reply you like your girlfriend. Comment me below. I will reply of question. I won't make silence again for fast work, but did you know when you go on silent mode after it, you see you doing work fast? You think better, the is done. I don't need of this line, so fuck these line by click E button on your keyboard and click left button on your mouse move and ear sit. And now select all rectangular by triple click on your left mouse button, but don't forget to hold shift button when you selecting multiple objects in SketchUp. I'm repeating, select the walls by triple clicking left button on mouse with holding shift button. Yeah, buddies. We done. Now click right button on mouse and select group. So now you can see all these wall generated a group. And listen carefully, the group command is very important in SketchUp and architect firms. Whenever you making any object, make it in group. In my future, I will tell you why group and components command is important and what's the difference between. But before making walls, we need to make floor first. So for making floor, click R button on your mouse for rectangular. Click corner to corner. You can see this area not filled by one rectangular, so we make another one and joint with first rectangular. This floor ready. I want to push up this floor. It looks so flat, but let's fix it. So now we have multiple faces. For making one face, we need to clear borders and make it one nation. So click button and erase center lines like this. Now we have one face. For making floor thickness, press P button on your keyboard and push up. For changing the direction of pushing, you can use keyboard arrows keys. So the other task is the walls that we have done need to move on the floor. For moving an object, we use M button and move it on upside. You can also use arrow key for direction. Now you see our right wall is little bit out. We need push the floor, so click L button for both sideline and click P for push align with the wall. Woo! Let's create the walls. For making wall, press P button and push it upside. For exact measuring, you see in the corner measurement. So click P and take it upside and enter the value. Like I'm going to do 9.5 feet wall, so type 9.5 F and enter exact measure wall done. So for making other wall, same measure, I would like to tell you a hack. The hack is click your left mouse button twice and you will see wall automatically done. Just click twice on face that you want to push perfect like older face. Yeah, we done it so fast! Okay, so let's check the wrongs again. Seem like I done some wrong in the parking area. Anyway, let's fix it. Hey friends, if you like this tutorial and you learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe. I'm promising I give best of best video and also I show you how the work actually happened in the companies. So subscribe in the future video. I will give work to our subscriber. They will learn and earn. So if you want to earn with learn, subscribe and comment me.